The narcissist who encounters someone impervious to their usual manipulation tactics faces a psychological crisis that threatens their entire system of control. When charm fails, guilt trips produce no effect, and emotional manipulation bounces harmlessly off someone's boundaries. The narcissist must make a strategic decision about how to neutralize this threat. Their final desperate maneuver reveals both their cunning and their cowardice. Rather than engaging directly with someone they cannot manipulate, they systematically work to destroy that person's credibility, relationships, and reputation through calculated social sabotage. The strategic destruction of social standing. When the narcissist recognizes someone as too psychologically fortified to manipulate directly, they shift their focus to destroying that person's social network and reputation. They begin planting seeds of doubt about this person's character, mental stability, or intentions within shared social circles, carefully crafting narratives that position themselves as the reasonable party dealing with someone increasingly erratic or problematic. This campaign unfolds with surgical precision, targeting the person's relationships, professional connections, and community standing. The narcissist understands that someone with strong boundaries and clear perception poses a unique threat. They might expose the narcissist's true nature to others who haven't yet developed similar clarity. By preemptively destroying this person's credibility, the narcissist creates a situation where even accurate observations about their behavior will be dismissed as the ramblings of someone already established as unreliable or emotionally unstable. The fabrication of victim narratives. The narcissist's response involves constructing elaborate narratives that cast themselves as this person's victim. They share carefully edited stories about the relationship, highlighting any moment where their target displayed anger or boundary setting while omitting the relentless provocation and manipulation that preceded those responses. They transform their victim's self-defense into evidence of aggression, their boundaries into cruelty, and their clarity into delusion. This victim narrative serves multiple strategic purposes simultaneously. It generates sympathy from people who don't know the full context, effectively recruiting allies in their campaign against someone who threatened their control. It preemptively frames any future accusations their target might make as retaliation from someone already established as the aggressor. The narcissist performs this victim role with practiced conviction, displaying just enough emotion to seem genuine while maintaining enough composure to appear credible. The isolation through manufactured consensus. The ultimate goal is creating a manufactured consensus that their target is the problem, effectively isolating this person from support systems and community connections. They work systematically to turn mutual friends against their target, poison professional relationships, and create social consequences for someone whose only crime was being too psychologically healthy to manipulate. The narcissist leverages social dynamics, understanding that most people prefer avoiding conflict and will distance themselves from anyone who becomes controversial. By creating enough noise, doubt, and drama around their target, the narcissist ensures that even people who suspect the truth will find it easier to simply avoid the situation entirely. This tactic reveals the narcissist's recognition that they've encountered someone genuinely dangerous to their continued manipulation of others. Rather than risk direct engagement with someone who sees through their performance, they choose the coward's path of destruction through reputation assassination. The intensity of this campaign serves as inadvertent confirmation that their target represents a genuine threat, someone whose clarity and imperviousness to manipulation could potentially expose the narcissist's true nature. The narcissist's resort to this tactic demonstrates both their cunning strategic thinking and their fundamental cowardice. They cannot win the direct battle against someone with solid boundaries and clear perception, so they wage war through proxies, lies, and social manipulation. This response confirms that their target has achieved something remarkable. They've become so psychologically fortified that the narcissist's only remaining option is attempting to destroy them from a safe distance.